That's her, that's how she dances to hip hop. She goes. It's like
As long as you don't throw up
like
diamonds.
when she's, at the show, you saw her? She saw like.
What was she doing when she was at the show? Yeah, what was she doing?
Like, doo.
Oh, I see. She always does that, right?
So, like,
Last year
when this guy, like,
Oh yeah, with the cadence.
when they were setting up.
Oh.
Like,
Oh yeah. No, no, I remember the
It was
dancing.
just techno heavy.
This bitch almost like used. Oh my god, she. Everyone was laughing at her because she basically almost poked people's eyes out because she was having like a fucking spasm.
I did have a spasm.
Yes, her. She was like.
I think I started or joined a conga line at some point.
You joined it.
I joined a conga line.
yeah, like Consuelo, she was all, like dancing like that.
She used to do that to cadences.
And then you know what happened? Like, she was doing that and she was doing something with her feet, like something like that.
Fucking chicken.
Yeah, and this guy comes, like, I don't know from where he pushes all these people around. He comes, he just does that.
He what? He stares at her?
He stares at her feet, and I'm like,
Are you serious? Did Consuelo get scared?
she didn't know this dude's behind her. And like there was people around her, and like they were trying to walk her like
A fucking chicken.
That's hilarious.